name is Chris Weiss. I work for RC Willey Home Furnishings. We're a Berkshire Hathaway subsidiary. I am a senior system administrator. I'm on the infrastructure team, so we put together all of the back end that keeps the company running. The problem was we didn't have a great restore solution. And anymore, it's not as important as to how far you can back up and how long you can go back, but how quickly can you bring the company back up into a whole position. And for us, with the solution that we had, it didn't work. It was too long to rehydrate the data. Pure gave us the ability to utilize the technology that Veeam has on its back end. You've got to have that marriage to be able to accomplish that goal. And it's done it with flying colors. The thing that Pure really sold us on was this immutability through the SafeMode. Not being able to delete, well, you can delete all you want, you just can't make it go away. When we got some of the information back from some of your engineers about the times that they were seeing, then we decided to give it a try. And so we beat that thing up really bad. And just everything we threw at it, it took. And it exceeded our expectations. We had a large disk array on some very fast disks, but even there, the time to recover was so slow that we couldn't do it. We tried. It just would time out, it would fail. It just couldn't do it. With Pure, it was crazy. Just in minutes, all of a sudden, all these machines were up and testing, and we won't be doing a forklift on Pure because it'll just be upgraded in place. And for us, that was a big selling feature. To go to something that allows for that future proofing is very enticing.